Hello and welcome back to DevDynamo AK. In today episode, we are driving into Jenkins CI/CD from scratch. Whether you are being beginner or looking to refresh your skills, you will learn how to set up your very first Jenkins pipeline, automate your build process, and streamline your development workflow. So let's get started and unlock the full potential of continuous integration and continuous delivery with Jenkins. So I was in AWS and I was in the manager, as you can see. So what I will do here, so before this video I have created these secrets. Okay, so what you need to do, create on store a new secrets and click on others and paste some secrets here like this. Okay, and click on next, and here you can give any dummy. Okay, so like this, and just click on next. After that you can see the secrets will be created here. Okay, so just you need to click next. So this secret will be created here. So why I have created this, because you can see here in the secrets, if you will click on retrieve secrets, so this value I have created. Okay, so we need to copy this ARN. Okay, just copy this and go to our code. Okay, I was in the GitHub desktop and I have opened YouTube serverless to do. Okay, and my code is this one, and just you need to add this thing. Okay, so when we will push the code to, so we need the secret access in our app. Okay, so im role statements in the provider, so effect allow actions secret manager gets a secret value. Okay, because this service we have used in our app. If you have followed the this playlist, you can get from there. So this I have pasted here. Now what I will do, so everything is fine and I will push the code to GitHub now. So the change, you can see this is the change, and add it ARN for secret. Okay, commit and push the code. So we have pushed the code successfully. Okay, so this will be added to our GitHub. Now come to VPC. Let's create VPC. Okay, so I will come here now and let's click on create a VPC. Okay, so let the name of this VPC as Jenkins, my Jenkins VPC. Okay, so paste and CIDR. This is a private range, so 10.0.0.0/16 I will take. Okay, next I'll leave the default setting here and create VPC. So VPC has created, and this is one route table also has created, you can see. And currently we are not having any subnets and no internet gateway to attach the subnet. So let's create one subnet here. So click on subnets and let name the subnet as public subnet. Okay, so select here my VPC and give the name as public subnet, and CIDR range, let us take a 10.0.1.0/24. So here we are getting 256 IPs. Okay, everything is fine. Click on create subnet. Now our subnet also has created. Now we need to attach the internet gateway. If you will come here again, so in the my VPC and resource mapping, you can see to this route our subnet has attached. Okay, so what we need to do next, we need to create one internet gateway and we need to attach to this route table, so the internet will be access to our subnet. Okay, so go to internet gateway now and go to actions or create internet gateway, and here name the internet gateway as my Jenkins IGW, and click on internet gateway, create internet gateway, and come here and attach this internet gateway to our VPC. Okay, attach to VPC and select your VPC. So it has attached to our VPC, you can see here, but we need to mention it to route table to access the subnet. So come here in the route tables and go routes, and we need to allow just what I have done. Just click on edit routes and add routes and select 0.0/0 and internet gateway which we have created. Okay, so I have force, actually it is not showing here. So I think we have selected a route table. So you can see this is the another, and we need to refresh because yeah, this is our route table. Okay, so select this and go to routes and edit routes, add routes and select 0/ and internet gateway, and here we will get my internet gateway. Okay, save the changes. Now after creating this, we need to do subnet association, edit subnet association and select this public subnet which we have created and save association. Okay, if you will go to now your VPC and routes mapping, yeah, our VPC has set up successfully, and you can see internet is can be accessed to this subnet. Okay, by using this VPC, now we will create two things, that is security group and another is VPC EC2. Okay, so first go to security group, search here, and let the name of the security be. So click on security groups and name the security group as Jenkins security group in a description, and select the VPC, right? So my Jenkins VPC we need, and add the rules. Okay, so first we need to allow SSH. Okay, and to everywhere you can allow to my IP address also. Next there is a HTTP and HTTPS we need to allow, right? HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, another thing, we need to add one custom TCP, that is 8080 to access Jenkins, right? So I'll give this. So I will leave the default setting, and this is all traffic allow for outbounds, and create security group. So our security group also has created. Now next navigate to instances and create on launch instance. Okay, let name of the instance be Jenkins to do YouTube instance. Okay, this is our instance name, and click on Ubuntu. After this, come scroll down. Let us take instance type to T2 micro because we need JDK also to download, right, to run our Jenkins. It internally uses JDK. Okay, now it is also having, so we need to create one new pair to SSH. So let us name it as YT to do Jenkins. Okay, so click on this create key pair, so it has downloaded successfully, and select this. Okay, now come to network settings and select your VPC which you have created. This is our VPC, and subnet only one we have created. If you have created more, you will be listed here. Okay, that will be listed here, and I enable the public IP address, so it will give some public IP address to access our EC2 instance. Okay, now select existing security group, that is Jenkins security group which we have created, right? So next go to advanced, and we need to select IAM role. Okay, so to select this, I have already created, you can see, to do Jenkins YT EC2 role. Okay, so how we can create this I will show, and what permission we need to access, allow the here I will show you. Okay, so come here and search IAM. So if you are following this playlist, you can, I will provide that playlist link in the description, you can check out. So what we have done is, last time we have created one user, right? And while uploading or deploying the code from local, we have created this user, and we have generated access key and secret key, and by using this AWS configuration we have pushed the code. But in this case we need to create the role. Okay, so this is the role how I have created and what permission I have given. You can see to do Jenkins YT EC2 role. Okay, so this is the role. So administrator access I have given here, you can see. Okay, so how to create this I will show one demo. Create. Okay, create on custom, or you can AWS services, and you have to select EC2 because we need to give the permission policies to EC2. That's why. And click on next, and from here you can select the permission whatever you want to, and click on next, and you need to give the role name and just click on create role, right? That role will be created. So in this way I have created, that is to do Jenkins YT EC2 role. Okay, so come to instance again, and you need to select this to do Jenkins YT EC2 role. Okay, so I have selected this. So I will leave all the default setting now, and just what is saying, the zone episode 1 does not support this instance type. Okay, so it is giving some issue. So we need to change in our, we need to create one more public subnet. So guys, you can see I was in the episode 1C, so we have done mistake. So what we will do, let us create a one more subnet. Okay, let the subnet name as, let the VPC, select VPC again, and public subnet. Okay, subnet 1 or 2, you can see already we have selected, and zone I select as episode 1A, because okay, next 10.0.2.0/16 okay, or 24. So this happens we will get, and click on create subnet. So this subnet also has created, you can see, to subnet 2. And let's come to again route table, and subnet association I will go and edit subnet association, select this also. Okay, and save associations, and go to VPC again, and in the route mapping you can see to these two subnets we are having this internet gateway. Okay, now come to is launch EC2, and go to settings, network settings. Okay, and select your refresh this, you will get your public subnet too. Okay, so everything is fine, you can see. So we have selected our IAM role also, everything fine. I will create on launch instance now. So instances, and let's wait till our status will get running, instance is running, I status as okay. Okay, yeah guys, our instance is running now, and the status check is okay. Next, SSH it, click on connection and connect. So wait a while. So we need to install now JDK in this, because to run the Jenkins it entirely uses Java. So we need to install this. So we have successfully SSH, and just paste this command. Okay, so what we are doing, sudo apt update and sudo apt install OpenJDK 70 JRE. Okay, so these commands I will give in the description, you can check out. So click on yes, let's wait till it installs successfully. So our Java is installed, let's verify whether our Java is installed or not. Yeah guys, you can see our JDK 17 is installed successfully. Clear the screen. Now we need to install two things, that is Jenkins, of course, Node.js. So before we will install Node.js also here, because to run Node.js, when we will do npm install for from our applications, so it should install some Node.js libraries like serverless and other things. So let's wait. So this command also I will give in the uh, description, you can check node hyphen p or npm hyphen p. So you can see it has also installed. Now we will install Jenkins now. Okay, so just paste it here, this thing, and let's wait till it's installed. Jenkins, click on yes. So our Jenkins also installed. Let's try to access our Jenkins now. Just click copy this link and open the tab and access 8080 port. Okay, you can see our Jenkins will be accessed here. See, so it is asking for Jenkins password, okay, administrator password. So what we need to do, so copy this and come here and just execute sudo cat, okay, and paste this path, okay, that is var lib Jenkins secrets initial administrator password, admin password, okay. So we have got this. Just copy this and paste in this, okay, and continue. And it is asking to install suggested plugins, so click on this and let's wait till install successfully. So it has installed successfully. Now we need to set up credential. So when you will log out, to log in you need this, okay. So I was taking admin. You can take whatever you want name. Also I will give one full name and one email, okay. Just click on continue and save and finish and start using Jenkins. Click on this. Now it is successfully set up. Now we will create one job, okay. This is our dashboard, you can see. Click on this and we will create one job here first, okay. So let the name of the job as lambda code deploy, as we are deploying lambda code. And I will select freestyle project and click on okay. Let's wait. Yeah, so select on GitHub. So this is our GitHub link, right? So if you will come here, you can see. So I will copy this GitHub link. Just I will go to code and I will copy this link, okay. For currently our project is public. If it is private, so how you can access this? Just what you need to do, add on this, okay, Jenkins, and click on secret files, okay. So go to GitHub now and click on settings. In the settings you need to select developer settings. In the developer setting, go to token classic and okay. After clicking this, generate token, okay, that is classic token we need. And you need to give here password, okay. So you can select how many days it should expire or no expirations, you can select. And just you need to select all these checkpoints, okay. Okay, sure. So generate token and we need to give any note, okay. I will give this Jenkins and generate token. So this is the token. This is for only one time. After that it will be not be displayed if you will come again here. So I'll copy this and come here. As we have selected the credential file, we need to select secret text, okay, and paste this text and some ID you can give, node js Jenkins cid, and some description you can, and add. So if I'll click on this, it will not be show, but which we have added, it will take by default, okay. That's secrets. If it is public, if it is private, that it will use that, okay. So in our case, our branch is main, so I will give here main and triggers, okay. We need GitHub trigger for git polling, okay. Means whenever the code has will be pushed, it should be triggered, okay. Our job should run, okay. So in this case, I was selecting this build after project. We not need build practically, trigger build remotely, no. So workface we not need to clear this and use secret text at timestamp. Yes, we need. And inspect, uh, okay, terminate a build if it is stuck, okay. It should be terminated the process if any wrong thing happens, if any error occurs. So now come to build steps. We need to add here, select the execute shell, and you need to first, whenever your code will come, just you need to install node packages, okay? Because if you will go to our GitHub, okay, see here currently we are not having, we will not push the node modules, right? So to execute serverless we need to install the packages. So I have executed npm install, and here I will execute one thing, that is sudo npm run deploy. This will deploy the code to our lambda, okay, this command. And what you need to do, just apply and save it, okay. So node.js we have installed, and again come to ec2 now, and to ls cd slash var slash lib jenkins workspace. So it is not showing anything, so ls it. So currently we are not having any workspace, you can see. So I'll come to here lambda again, click on build, okay, and you can see one job will be run here. Yes, it is running. Open in new tab. You can see our code has pulled, right, to workspace lambda code deploy, okay. So I'll copy this path, and it should give some error. What error I will show? See, error has came. You can see all the packages has installed successfully, no problem. While we do sudo npm run deploy, it is saying sudo terminate request password. Okay, it required password. So what we'll do for now, we will add one condition in sudo, okay, vi sudo. So it should not ask any password to do this, okay. So I will come here. Now if I will do ls, see one workspace folder has came, right? So I will go to cd workspace, and in this we will have this code deploy, okay, and do ls, sorry, let us see ls. See, node model which is came by npm install, okay, and other packages was there, and other files was there, you can see, okay. Now what I will do, just execute here sudo uh, visu do, okay. So this is the file. We need to add one thing here. So come down here, we need to add one condition, that is jenkins all is equals to all, and no passport all, okay. So I have added here, you can see, and control x y enter. So now it is okay. Now if I will come here, and if I will click on build again, it will start deploying the code, okay. You can see this code, this command has executed, and what it means, npm run deploy serverless deploy hyphen workforce, okay. So it is deploying the code aws lambda. So guys, you can see here our code has deployed successfully, and you can see one endpoint has given by aws, okay. So if I will copy this and paste in the github, in the postman, and click on send, you can see we are able to get the data, right. Also if I will search here lambda and click open lambda and select one of the lambda, you can see these are the lambdas, right. So get to do's, I'll click on this, and internally it has happened this, okay. So So go to configurations and click on this. You can see this secret manager we have given the access. Also by default it is taking CloudWatch. So if you want to see the logs, you can watch from there. Also if you want to do more changes, this is the role. Go to this role and you can change. Okay, this is created by AWS. Okay, by default by serverless when we deployed the code. Okay, so everything is fine. So if you, I will search here CloudWatch, and the CloudWatch, and you can see uh, there will be a logs. Okay, so go to logs group. Inside this logs, you can see there are four functions which we have configured in our serverless YAML, and get to do's I have called. So I'll click on this, and you can see if I will go to yeah, here, this is the log file. Okay, so all the logs are displayed, you can see. Okay, so every log has displayed, and we have console logged there. This MongoDB serverless, right? So it has displayed here. So but guys, the coder will not do like that. Okay, so whenever the code has pushed, it should be deployed. So what to do that, what need to do, just go to GitHub now and come to this repository and come the settings. Okay, in the settings you need to click on webhooks and add webhooks. Okay, and here you need to paste your Jenkins path. Okay, which we are accessing, and just type here github hyphen webhook slash. Okay, and select the content tab as application JSON and add webhook. What it will do, it will trigger our job from there. Okay, so whenever we push the code, so let's try now. So this is our Jenkins, and I will make some changes in our DB. Just what I will do, I will remove this console log from here and save it. If you will go to the GitHub desktop, you can see one change has happened, right? That is console.log. So do the commit now. First Jenkins commit and click on commit to main. Okay, so and push to the origin. I pushed successfully. You can see one job will be start here. Okay, see, wait a while and refresh this. So you can see one job has started, right? Open this in new tab. So in this way guys, we can configure all the things. And so thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the basics of setting up a Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from DevDynamo AK. If you have any question or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below. See you in the next video. Happy coding.